enemies of the mind starts from the mind itself, takes ground in the mind itself. That is why we say we are worthy of suffering. What do you mean by worthy of suffering? We say, no, I have a lot of problems and challenges in my life. Are you born with the challenges? Are you born with the... So those enemies, one other word that we use is the impurities of the mind. And these impurities expresses itself in the form of strong likes and dislikes, craving and obsession, emotional dependence. Those people who have a sense of emotional dependence, they say, I'm sensitive, very sensitive. And then hesitation, anger, emotionally upset, mood swing, all those comes. They all come into the category. In Eastern psychology, we say it is an impurity in the mind. What does it mean by the impurity? It can be purified. You have a dirty clothes, so you can put it into the washing machine. Get it clean. Have a dirty body, use soap and other stuff. Make it clear. The same way. So the reference point when we use the word, the mind has got the impurities, and they are the enemies of the mind: anger, hesitation, mood swing, depression, etc., etc. So we purify the mind. So now, but before that, why the impurity takes ground in my mind? So our master declares it is because of interpretation given by the mind unconsciously, habitually. The word that we use is ignorance. What is ignorance? False notion, error in perception. Do you see the mirage water? Yes, I see it. Do you see it by your eyes? Yes. Does it exist? Yes. No, it does not exist. Don't be in a hurry. It does not exist. As you approach near, that approaching near means I'm analyzing, I'm observing, I'm reflecting and understanding, instead of getting carried away by the anger, upset, mood swing, etc., etc. That changes the life. That is what we need to do in our daily life.